I just want to let Nigerians know, as a serving senator of the Federal Republic, today I have a case in the court. I filed a motion 2 days ago, and I was to present myself before the court on my motion. And then this early morning, I came in through the Transcorp axis was blocked, and I also came back through the Bono axis. Bono House axis was blocked. Was barred from coming to the court. As a senator of the Federal Republic, I think I have the right to even go, even if I have no business in the court. So I just want to plead with the authorities, please, that this shouldn't happen again. We live in a democratic entity called Nigeria. We are not in a war-torn country. Everybody that is being accused is innocent until proven guilty. So I'm pleading that people should be allowed, or there should be sanity in the way and the manner security agencies block the entire access today. We are secured in our country, and we shouldn't be doing things as if we're in a war-torn country. I came here because I have a case. Even if I don't have a case, as a senator of the Federal Republic of this country, I deserve to have access to the court. So that is, and also I'm a member of a committee of judiciary in the Nigerian Senate. So I don't see the reason why I should be barred from coming to the court. Thank you. Also, I'm a member of police commission. So I really don't understand.
Nobody was even denied access.
One of the issues raised in the South with our brothers and sisters is the fact that they haven't seen Mr. Kanu to be sure that he's alive. Most of us saw him in court today. The lawyer even saw him in court today. So what is the appeal to our brothers in the Southeast as to the sit-at-home order, the guidance of Mr. Kanu, and also for peace and stability?
It is not about seeing him alone. It's about giving him justice. That's it. You know, I'm not the judge. I'm not taking decision on him. But it's about giving him justice and showing that there's a transparent judicial trial over him. That's the most important thing. And people should, at least notable people in the society, if you bar his brothers from seeing him, then what are we talking about in this country? Can such a thing happen in the north?
No.
So please, people should respect constituted authority, elected authorities, please.
Sad with what actually happened, and I believe that NUJ, this is the time the entire world is watching you, whether we have true NUJ in this country. Nigerian Bar Association, we are also waiting for what they will say, because court is our own lab, court is our own market. So when you ban stop a lawyer from coming into court, I don't know what you want to achieve. Remember that federal government has applied to try Nnamdi Kanu secretly before, and that application failed. Now they are now decided to come through another way, and I want it to be on record, because when the issue was raised in court today, I personally expected that the court should make a consequential order. But the court said that one is not within its jurisdiction. Even in the Supreme Court, we have a press gallery. What is the difference between this particular case Nnamdi Kanu is serving and some other case? It's just a mere criminal trial. Personally, I don't want to go into the charge. On the 10th, when the issue will be raised, we have a lot of things to say. So then on the issue of our leaders, I want to also commend distinguished State Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah, who has been making an effort to see Nnamdi Kanu. He has filed a motion, but that motion was not heard because he was not in court. He was stopped from coming into court. So, and he has been making an effort to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And some other persons are just giving it a very different interpretation. But I think that is a bold step. I want to also encourage the entire people in the Southeast. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I've been seeing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is the picture. He was in court today. You can see him. I hear him saying he has been in a good condition. The only thing there is that they refused him access to his own brother, personal medical doctor. That is what we are complaining, because he is still presumed in.